video messages from different people I met on my travel in Mason, which is why I am here in this podium right now. Because of that disguise that I'm traveling, I won't be even thinking of pursuing to be sitting in this oriental chair, which is please take a maybe 10-15 minutes of your time before we move to the place. I know you guys are already starting to get hungry and sleepy or whatever. Just bear with us for about 5-10 minutes. Thank you.
Greetings. This is Brother Felix Paul, Past Master of Kasilawan Masonic Lodge number 77 under the Most Merciful Grand Lodge of the Philippines. I'm extending my warm fraternal greetings and congratulations to the Master-elect, Brother Arthur Lau, the officers, past masters, and brethren of San Benito Lodge number 211 under the jurisdiction of the Grand Lodge of California. I'm very positive that your lodge for the ensuing Masonic year will be a productive and harmonious one, especially under the leadership of Merciful Master-elect Arthur Lau. Thank you very much.
Brother Arthur Lau, Master-elect of San Benito Lodge number 211 under the role of the Grand Lodge of California. I, Brother Johnson Lim Puiseco, the Right Worshipful Master of St. Anton Lodge number 418 under the district of the New Zealand North Grand Lodge of Scotland. We are extending our warm fraternal greetings and hearty best wishes. And at the same time, I would like to congratulate for being the Master-elect and incoming Master of St. Benito Lodge number 211. And we are looking forward to see you in the chair of King Solomon, and we greet you all best wishes. Thank you.
Greetings from Auckland, New Zealand. My name is George Lim Lo Sui, past Worshipful Master of the Principal Lodge here in Auckland, New Zealand, English Constitution. I'd like to congratulate Master-elect Brother Arthur Lau for taking the chair of King Solomon at the San Benito Lodge number 211 of Hollister, California. May you have an excellent and fruitful year in office. Thank you.
Kaya ora, fraternal greetings of Auckland, New Zealand. I would like to congratulate our newly elected officers of San Benito Lodge 211 of Hollister, California, especially to our Worshipful Master-elect, Worshipful Brother Arthur Lau. Congratulations po, and mabuhay po kayo lahat. Sana Pablo po from Emon Lodge number 179 under the Most Worshipful Grand Lodge of the Philippines. We're also a joining member here in Auckland under the Belmont Albion Lodge number 45, New Zealand Constitution. Maraming salamat.